When I look at this picture, I see a very, very unhappy person and sad person. Now, I look at myself today, I'm a very happy, happy person. My hair is my identity. And when I was losing it, I lost a part of myself. Because when I didn't have it and coming out all the time, it was very emotionally for me. I mean, it's devastating as a woman when you see your hair getting thinner and thinner. It made me feel older and older. I had PRP, which they were so gentle and so good of doing this. I came 4 different times and the results were just amazing because my hair, you could see it was growing back. I've tried other kind of products and stuff. It did not work. Only Transitions has helped me through my years of getting my hair back, making me feel good about myself. When I feel good about myself, everybody's happy. I have had so many compliments. People coming up to me and saying, "Oh, I love your hair." They go, "Where did you get your hair? Or how'd you get your hair like that?" I said, "Transitions, that's where I have got my hair back, and you can too." They are the most genuine people. They're professional people, but they are the sweetest people. Love coming up here to get my treatments because I know I've met nice friends. They treat you like you should be treated. I'm very happy the way I look because it's made me smile each day. I get up and I'm thinking, wow, what a difference. It's really helped me a lot. My hair is thicker and fuller than it ever was. Wonderful. I didn't think it was going to grow back, but it did. And I'm so happy that it did. Don't wait. Call them right now.